Kajian kabinet kurang hasil kong kelai kren halor Kaiphot kebela ai daka expert komite syaka sarkar. Habe kren haiklat pathai kubor hadin kajian jonga kabinet menteri beri pej tenat jongak kai pathai ba polong do long ba kene Kaiphot kelong ke bajrong kumta la dan kamar plebnya namar kladon shibun kijing ai jimut na expert committee.
So, what is the solution? What do you think as a government? How are you dealing with it?
While Cyril is here, maybe he can highlight a few of these issues before you. But let me state this very clearly. There is a tendency to misguide members of the public that why not we adopt the Sikkim model. Sikkim and Meghalaya, there's a huge difference because Sikkim as a state geographically is an endpoint. Meghalaya is a transit state, which means that a number of vehicles fly through Meghalaya, and you can once it's a transit point. It means that it's not necessary for that car to complete its journey within Meghalaya. Two, you also have uh, tourists who travel through the northeast as a circuit, traveling from Kaziranga to Shillong to Sora, and then go to Silchar. So these are travelers who are on transit. Three, this attempt to mislead by saying that uh, tourist taxis are not allowed from outside of Sikkim. You can find out for yourself that a lot of vehicles from West Bengal are in fact taking tourists to Sikkim. So Basil can add because he has been handling discussions with the organization.
Yes.
Yeah. The cabinet met this morning at 9 a.m. to take up various formal items. Uh, these include the consideration of the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy, amendment of the Meghalaya Heritage Act 2012, Meghalaya State Language Act 2005, Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act 2017, amendment to regularize the Meghalaya Private Universities Regulation of Establishment and Maintenance of Standard Amendment Ordinance 2025. We also took up Meghalaya Private Colleges Promotion and Regulation Bill 2025, Meghalaya Private Medical Institutions, including institutes and private university, Regulation of Admission, Fixation of Fees and Reservation Bill 2025, the National Law University of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2025, Meghalaya Decriminalization Amendment and Repealing of Provisions Bill 2025, Amendment of the Meghalaya Shops and Establishments Act 2003, Amendment of the Factories Act 1948, the Meghalaya Homeopathic Medicine Amendment Bill 2025, and also the Meghalaya Town and Country Planning Act Amendment Bill 2025. All these bills, uh, with the approval of the cabinet this morning, have now been introduced in the House and will be taken up for discussion and approval by the House within the current session. The cabinet